Oil prices have fallen by more than $4 a barrel after US President Donald Trump held off on fresh strikes against Iran and gave diplomacy another chance. Brent crude dropped more than 5% to just over $83 a barrel in early trading on Monday. US West Texas Intermediate fell almost 6% to below $80. The sharp decline reflects growing hopes that Washington and Tehran could reach an agreement to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. The waterway is one of the world's most important energy routes, carrying about a fifth of global oil and liquefied natural gas supplies during normal conditions. Trump said on Saturday that Iran and other Middle Eastern countries had asked for more time to complete a deal. He said the proposed agreement would lead to the complete and immediate reopening of the strait and address what he called Iran's nuclear threat. That announcement reduced fears of an immediate US attack and removed some of the risk premium built into oil prices. Both Brent and US crude had risen by more than 20% last month after fighting between the US and Iran resumed. Attacks on tankers near Oman also discouraged ships from entering the Gulf to collect oil, raising fears of a prolonged supply disruption. But the threat has not disappeared. The United Kingdom Maritime Trade Operations Agency has reported 3 additional tanker attacks since Saturday. Shipping traffic through Hormuz has also slowed amid reports of vessels being targeted. IG market analyst Tony Sycamore warned that hopes of a deal could collapse if Iran continues using control of the strait as leverage or launches another attack on a US base or commercial vessel. There were more positive signs in the Red Sea. Shipping data showed that 2 tankers carrying Saudi oil crossed the Bab el-Mandeb Strait over the weekend. That route has also faced disruption because of attacks linked to Yemen's Houthis. Oil prices came under further pressure after OPEC Plus approved another production increase. The group agreed to raise its collective output target by around 188,000 barrels a day from September. The decision completes a reversal of one layer of voluntary production cuts and reduces support prices. But the additional supply may not fully reach the market. Previous OPEC Plus increases have largely remained on paper because wars involving Iran and Ukraine have disrupted exports from the Gulf, Russia, and Kazakhstan. For now, traders are betting that negotiations could reduce the threat to shipping and restore more oil supplies. But Monday's fall is based on the expectation of a deal, not an actual reopening of the Strait of Hormuz. If talks fail or another tanker is attacked, the same risk that pushed prices sharply higher last month could return just as quickly.